again. Are you back for another IQ test? Okay, great. I actually have one pulled up for you already because I was thinking about you and I was like, you've taken so many IQ tests. I think I need to ease up on you a little bit. I think that I'm going to give you an easier test today because you've been taking so many IQ tests recently and I honestly feel bad. Okay, that's fine with you. That's great. Well, let me just write your name down really quick. Okay. This is the IQ test today, the IQ test. Do you just want to get started? Is it alright? Okay. So, we have the first question where basically all you are doing is telling me which heart is the odd one out, and then we'll go down the line. Which heart is the odd one out? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, which triangle is the odd one out? Yeah. Take a little bit of a closer look. Okay. And now, which circle is the odd one out? Okay. The second one is also pretty easy. We've never really done one like this before, where it's like opinion based. And yeah, we've never really done a question like this before, but just in each box, I want you to tell me what emotion you think the box is portraying, or the face in the box. Okay. Okay, great. What do you think this one is? Okay. How about this one right here? And how about this last one? All right. Good job. Okay. And for this next one, this one is super, super simple. It's not even like a bunch of math problems like we normally do. This one's just one, and then you have to tell me. So, this rectangle plus this rectangle plus this rectangle equal 9. 9. So you just have to tell me what the rectangles equal. And all the rectangles are the same. Should be the same number, so that's why it's just 1. You got it. Okay, great job. Okay. Now for the fourth question, we kind of have like a sequence of events going on here. So there's one shaded square in each box. And I just want you to tell me which box square in this box would be shaded. Which square in this box would be shaded? So make sure you're looking for patterns, things like that. Yes. Okay. Great job. Now this one, you're gonna have to have a closer look at. But there are a bunch of E's here, and I want you to pick out all the F's and tell me how many there are. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this closer. Yeah, I'm not great at these, so, I would probably fail this if I was taking an IQ test right now. Yeah, it is super nice out today. It's been nice like every single day. I'm so happy about it. Do you think you know how many there are? Okay. Yeah, that one's kind of tough. Alright, and the last question. This one is more mathy. 2 equals 12, 3 equals 18, 4 equals 24, 5 equals 30. That is a 5, kind of written down poorly. Then what does 9 equal? By the way, these question marks aren't like the amount of numbers there are supposed to be. It's just like, I just put 3 because that made me happy, so. There are not 3 digits here. Well, there could be. Whatever you think it is. Yeah, just think. Kind of look at the differences between. And the kind of sequence of events. Okay, you think you got it? Okay. Now I'm going to be telling you the answers to all the questions, but I think we're going to start backwards. So we're going to start with this question. This answer, I believe, is 54. I wrote it down. I'm not good at multiplication. Yeah, 54. So the reason this would be 54 is because 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, and 5 times 6 is 30. So then 9 times 6 would be 54. Yeah, you got that one right though, so good job. Now, let's go back. So for this one, I kind of got to count this up here. So we have 1F, 2F, 3Fs, 4Fs, 5, 6. So there should be 6 Fs here. There's one in the first line, one right here in the second line, one right here in the first line, or the third line. Oh my god, the first F, third line, sorry. There's none in this line. There's one right here in this line, and then there's 2 in the bottom line. So that would make 6 of them, 6 of them, 6 of them. And then for this one, we have the top corner, bottom corner. So this square right here, this bottom square, would be shaded. Good job on that one. Okay, for question 3, 3 rectangles equals 9. So 1 rectangle would equal 3. 3 is the answer, yes. And for 2, this one is happy. This one I put as angry. If the mouth kind of threw you off, I kind of tried to do the eyebrows a little bit angry, but if you got that one wrong, it's okay. And the sad face is obviously sad. And then up here, this circle is the odd one out. This triangle is the odd one out, even though it's kind of hard to see. It's a little bit darker than the rest. And then this heart is the odd one out because it's also a little bit darker than the rest, So you did a really good job. Your IQ is top notch, and this was also a pretty easy test, so I'm sure you did amazing. So yeah, your results will be texted to you. So thank you so much for coming in again. Yeah.